Principal Mr. Harris at Zanesville Middle School. We are currently receiving a high volume of calls about our virtual learning system and how things will operate this upcoming school year. Google Classroom will be our main learning platform for communicating assignments, class notes, online meeting dates and times, and instructional videos. All virtual learners will officially start on September 8th, but teachers may reach out before to give login information or just general information about the class. So I'm encouraging everyone to check your emails daily. When students officially start on September 8th, teachers will reach out a minimum of 2 times a week through Google Meet or just a check-in to make sure your child has logged on. Teachers may reach out more than twice a week for additional help with assignments or just to check in. Again, make sure you are checking your emails on a daily basis. Each student will check in as follows: Monday, English Language Arts; Tuesday, Math; Wednesday, Science; Thursday, Social Studies; and Friday will be a check-in with all classes and teachers. Set times for meetings will be assigned by teachers, so pay attention and look out in all your emails. Attendance will be checked as follows. For example, if your child is given 5 assignments throughout the week and they only complete 3 of those assignments, they are going to get credit for only 3 days of attendance, and they will be marked absent the other 2 days. All assignments will have a set due date, so it's critical to complete all tasks on time. Certain students will qualify for extended time dependent upon their educational plans. Next step, I'm going to show you some tutorial videos on the platforms that we'll be using for our virtual and face-to-face learners. Clever Login. You want to go to your scroll bar, type in zanesville.k12.oh.us and click enter. This will take you to our main page where you will go to students, hover over it, scroll down, and highlight Clever Portal. After you click that, it will bring you to this page, which is our Clever Login. You'll need your username and password, and both of these are your student ID. So type in your student ID in the username and type in your student ID for the password. Once you've done that, you're able to log on, and you'll be able to access MindPlay, Edmentum, and many more of the educational programs that we have to offer at the middle school. Next is your email and Google Classroom. Again, start off by typing google.com in the search bar, click enter, go to your Gmail, click Gmail, and that will bring you right into your email. Click your 3x3 waffle box up here in the top right. After you click that, it'll take you and give you multiple options: your Google Docs, your Gmail, Sheets, Google Slides, Calendar, etc. You want to click on the top right where it says Classroom. After you've done that, you'll be able to access all of your Google Classrooms and locate the majority of your online assignments and discussions from your teachers. We do have some additional links as well, and you'll be able to access that on our website. The next phase is PowerSchool. Type in zanesville.k12.oh.us, click enter. Again, it will take you to our homepage where you will hover over students, go down to PowerSchool login. This will take you to the PowerSchool login page. Type in your web ID up top for your username and type in your password underneath. Click sign in, and you'll be able to access your class schedule, your grades, general information, assignments, attendance records, etc. The next phase that we use for math is our Alex login tutorial. And this is very step by step. So for new users creating Alex account, go to www.alex.com. and click on words in the big yellow box that say sign up now. This indicates this. You're going to enter the class code provided by your math teacher, which you will receive through email. You're going to hit continue. If you do not receive a code, make sure you check with the school or contact our office. The next page will show your teacher's name and the class information. Everyone starts in the boot camp class. You want to click the confirm button at the bottom of this page. The next window will also ask you if you have used Alex before. Please leave the box that is already marked no, I have never used Alex before. Don't try to sign in unless you have already used Alex at Zanesville City Schools in the past. Click continue at the bottom of the page. Fill in the required information using your legal first name and last as it appears in our school records. Use your school email address ending in zcsmail.org, and your student ID is the same as the numbers and the password to your email without ZCS at the end. You're going to click continue. Make sure you stop after this. This is a very important page. Please write down your login name. It should be the first letter of your first name and your last name, and then some numbers. You need to write this down and remember it. Do not write down the password given to you. Go down to where it says optional and you can change your password. And change your password to be the exact same password as your school email. Student ID number with ZCS on it. For example, if my student ID was 687443, then my password would be 687443 ZCS. Again, you'll write all this information down, what I explained to you. You will now be enrolled in your Alex class. Now you must wait for teacher's approval. Once your teacher has approved you, Alex will take you through a tutorial on how to work the program. Follow the orange chat bubbles around the screen. Click next on each of the following directions. The program is teaching you how to type things in and undo things. Once you complete this tutorial, you will be sent to a screen that tells you to start a knowledge check. Please read below under all users for more details about the knowledge check. Once you've finished reading, go ahead and click on the button and begin your first knowledge check. All users logging into Alex account, go to www.alex.com and log in with your username and password. If you don't remember your username, make sure you contact your teacher through email or contact the office and we'll get something set up. Once you've logged in, you will be prompted to take a knowledge check. Please complete this knowledge check. Take these seriously because the program is getting to know you and where you fit and what scale you're on. Please do not use a calculator. You may use paper or pencil, but this program will give you an online calculator for problems that you need a calculator for. Otherwise, you are expected to know that and paper and pencil to complete the knowledge check. It will get hard, but it's just a program trying to figure out where you're at. Just do your best. If you honestly don't know the question, quick, I don't know. Once you have finished the knowledge check, you will be shown a pie chart of your results. The pie chart is broken down into topics that were covered in the knowledge check and shows you how many topics you mastered during the knowledge check and how many you still have to do. Don't worry if you didn't do well the first time. You will work on your learning path and be given another knowledge check later where you will have a chance to master more topics. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at Zanesville Middle School or email your teachers. Again, this is a big learning step for everybody, so I hope you enjoy this step, and I'm hoping to get every last one of you guys back in the building as soon as possible. Take it easy, and thank you.